So first of all we will just search video editor, and let us start with a new project, and we'll name it like how to edit a video. So over here first I am just taking one video which I have already made it and I want to edit it, so I just need to drag and drop, and then the first option we are going to add a title. So over here you can click and you can write whatever you want to give the title, and then you can see lot of uh, like different type of styles you can get to the character written thing, and then this is like where you want to place the write-up. So once you are done with that, you can again select to your video and you can trim it as much as you want in this free video editor. The third option, I want to reduce the volume which is used in the video. I can do it from there. And now I will show you the another option, like, yeah, coming to the third part, if I want to split it, or let us take half of the video I don't require, then I can just split it, and then the video I don't like I can delete it. Coming to the next option, like if I want to write something on the video, so over here I can just write, and wherever I want to place I can just place like top, bottom, middle, yeah, and you can see I have written it as a hello. Then this is like some special features which will add more good looks to your video. So here you can change the timing, the place, and let us see how does it work. Then click OK, and when you play this video you can see the balloons are popping it out from that location. Now we'll move to different scenes. Let us take, you want it in background like black and white or some other type of video effect, you can use this. And this is like if you want to make your video run faster, you can just change it to 2x, 4x, and this is the last one. If you want to have a background music, so you can add background music from this place, and then this is the last step where you will be like, now just save the video file with some name and you are done.